Hello, as promised, this is going to be a quick video about how to register your kiosk in the KMS website. If you ever have any questions about the registration process, or if you ever think you made a mistake or something doesn't seem right, make sure to always contact us using the support links. Our number is 888-816-8348, or email us at customercare@veii.com, especially when it's your first kiosk or two. There's always room for a human error, and we're here to help resolve that should it occur. But here is how to register a kiosk. You'll go into the equipment page and you will click register equipment. At this point, you'll choose the equipment type, which for the most case will be the revision 2 of the kiosk. You'll see there's some screenshots of what the other machines look like, but revision 2 kiosk is most likely what you'll be selecting. The program is going to be your payment provider. It's either going to be USAT or US Connect. If you choose US Connect, you'll see if I choose it right now, because my demo organization is set with USAT, I get the error. So you'll only be able to choose the one that you've been set up with. But were I to be a US Connect customer, had I clicked that, the name would be auto-populated for me, and then this name would have to be what's added to the kiosk configuration on the kiosk itself. If I select USAT, I get to choose my own name. I would recommend not using the name of the site that you're placing it at, because you get to set up that site location on your own anyway, whether you use a VMS or a non-VMS. And 2, should you ever have to move that kiosk from its original site to another site, it would still have to keep the same name to be able to keep the same historical sales data and things like that. So I would recommend a naming convention like 1001 or 001, or maybe the name of your vending company, number 1, that kind of thing for the name with USAT. Serial number, this is the physical serial number on the kiosk. As you can see, it'll typically start with VEK, and there will be several zeros involved. The MAC address is actually listed as serial number in the operator menu of the kiosk. In order to access this, you will power up the VE kiosk. You will open the door and trigger the door switch if need be, and at that point you should see operator menu. On the left hand side, just about halfway down, you will see serial number. This is actually the MAC address. It's a little misleading. I hope we correct it in a patch soon. In any case, the serial number is typically going to start with 00045 these days. Other popular ones were CO7 and F87, I believe. But currently, the current batch of motherboards is 00045. Invoice number would be the sales number. This isn't necessarily crucial if you're with USAT, but it is necessary if you're with US Connect. The product catalog, this is what you're going to find. When you click this, you'll see it's already got a list here. This is everything you've either created. If you're a non-VMS customer, it's the product catalogs that you have created within KMS. And if you are a VMS user, it's the product catalogs that you have created within your VMS that are pointed towards us. So we all know there's other competitors out there, the VE kiosk. If you are using the VE kiosk, just make sure when you create a catalog that you assign it to Vendors Exchange, or else it won't populate in this list. And if it doesn't populate in this list, typically a call to your VMS will help resolve that. If you have any other questions, you can always contact our support line. Last but not least, the shared settings are going to, typically you will have a demo shared settings. I recommend just selecting it and moving on, as if you've seen the settings video, you realize there's a few kinks we have to work out in our KMS website. Safe to say, select the demo shared settings for now. They'll suffice, and then click save. And then your kiosk will be registered in KMS. You will notice that it is not online yet, even if your kiosk physically is online, and the reason is the name actually has to be taken out of the name field and copied and pasted into the configuration file on the kiosk itself. I'll go into depth on that on another video, but this has been registering kiosk equipment on KMS. Thank you.